Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the USB device not recognized in Windows. This happens when the Windows cannot properly communicate with the USB device. This is due to faulty or loose USB connection or corrupted outdated USB drivers or power supply issue or conflicts in USB controller or USB device itself is damaged. So we are going to fix that issue. So our first step is to check the basic USB connection. So just to remove and reinstall the USB device, try another USB port and test the USB device on another PC or restart your PC. After restarted your PC, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, please check the next step, and our next step is to update the USB driver. For that, you need to search the device manager and open it. In the device manager, you need to find the universal serial bus controller and expand the universal serial bus controller and update all the drivers. Most probably the driver will be in updated condition, and once check it. If not, please update the driver and close it. Then restart your PC and once again please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, please check the next step, and it's a third step, and our third step is to run hardware troubleshooter. For that, you need to press Windows R and copy the prompt in the description and paste over there and click OK, and it shows like troubleshooter service is disabled. So if it's enabled, please go and troubleshoot it. If not, it's not an issue. Please find the next step, and our next step is to disable the USB selective suspend in power settings. For that, press Windows R and copy the prompt in the description. The prompt in the notepad is in the description, so copy that and click OK. Once you're done, just select the change plan setting. It either may be the HP recommended or balanced. Enabled change plan should you need to select, and after that you need to select the change advanced power setting. In that, you need to find USB setting. On that USB selective suspend setting, set it to disable for both and click apply and click OK. Close it and restart your PC. After restart, please check whether the USB device not recognized problem is solved or not. If not, please follow the next step. The next step is to update the Windows. For that, you need to enter into your settings and following Windows update it, and our last step is to reset USB controller. For that, you need to open device manager. Search and open the device manager and expand the universal serial bus controller and find the USB root hub. Uninstall the driver and please make it as an last step. If the previous step is not performed well, please uninstall the driver and restart the PC. After restarted your PC, the Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. It's not a big issue. If it's not automatically reinstalled, please check it on the Windows update. It shows over there. You need to install it manually over the Windows update settings. And I hope you enjoy the video, and I think the issue is solved. Let me check once by connecting the USB. It's solved. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.